Now, for instance, how do you write? It's like, for example, you said part-time or say full-time. Now these are what are these? Hyphenated. Okay. Now here we have a hyphen in between, but if this is altered, the job is say full time. So there is no hyphen here. If you have this kind of construction, just mark the construction. If you have this kind of construction, now the job is noun and this is adjective. This is altered. If you say full-time job, you will write this compound word with a hyphen. Okay, with a hyphen. Why? Because here this is an adjective and this is noun. But when this combination of adjective noun is altered, that means the noun comes first and the adjective comes later, then you do not have hyphen in between. It's rather written as an open compound word. Remember. So I will give you an example. This is a subtle difference. Okay, subtle difference. Don't say that, well, you told me that full time should be written with a hyphen or part time has to be written with a hyphen, but I got it wrong. So when the combination is altered, then there wouldn't be any hyphen. For example, the business is another example. The business is family run. The business is family run. Now, family run is an adjective. There is no doubt about it. Family run, and this is noun. Now here this is altered. When you say family run business, then you have a hyphen in between. You have a hyphen in between because here you have adjective plus noun combination, and this one is a noun plus adjective combination. So this is something very important to notice and note down. To keep this thing in mind. Yes, another example, the size of the farm. The size of the farm, the size of the land is 50 acre. The size of the land is 50, 60, 70 acre, whatever. So you write it like this, 50 acre. Or this can even be written like this, in words, 50 acre. 50 acre. But when you say 50 acre land, then you put a hyphen in between because here this is an adjective and this is a noun. Whereas here the size of the land, here you have the noun first. Size of the land, you have the noun first and then you have the adjective. So when adjective follows a noun, you do not have a hyphen. You rather write it as an open compound word. Okay, one thing more I would like to tell you here, because I have seen some teachers explaining these compound words not as close compound words, open compound words, or hyphenated compound words. They explain them, say, on the basis of parts of speech combinations. How do they explain? How they teach? On the basis of part of speech combinations, like noun plus noun, or adjective plus noun, or preposition plus noun, or verb plus noun, or noun plus verb. This is how to teach. So let us have a few examples, just a few examples that way also. For example, say on the basis of parts of speech. Parts of speech. Noun plus noun. That means both the root words are nouns. Both the root words are noun. For example, steamboat. Steam is noun, boat is also noun. Okay? And life jacket. Since I am talking about steamboats, I am talking about life jacket. Life jacket. Now, life is noun and jacket again is a noun. Yes, and yes, more words from this side and say yes.
Toll tax.
Toll tax, okay. Toll and tax. Toll tax, good. On birthday even, we had this example. Birthday,
Ring road.
ring road, okay. Birth is noun and day is also noun. Ring is noun, okay, and road. Ring road, okay, good. Or say policeman for that matter. Policeman. Police is noun and policeman. Policeman.
Headache. Headache.
Headache, okay, headache. Head or ache. Now, head is also noun, ache is also noun. Yes, more examples, come on. Yes,
Bath. Bathtub.
bathtub, good example. Bathtub. Now, bath is, what is bath? Bath is noun and even tub is also noun. Bathtub. Bathtub. Yes, more examples, come on. Rucksack. Rucksack. Rucksack which you carry when you go on excursion. Rucksack. Rag is a noun, sack too is a noun. Country house. Country house. Country is noun and house too is noun. Country house. So what do you have here? Noun plus noun combination. Now let us also see what are noun adjective compound words. Noun plus adjective compound words. So if they ask you to write 5 noun plus noun compound words, so this way you can write. And noun plus adjective compound words. Noun plus adjective compound words like sea green. Sea. Now sea is sea is noun and green is adjective. Green board. This is how we say green board. Sea green. Okay. Yes.
Blood red.
Blood red. Very good.
World
Yeah.
famous.
Blood red. Is blood red. Okay, blood red. What did you say?
World famous.
World famous. Nice. World famous. Now this famous is adjective which is coming later. Means the second word is adjective here. The second one is adjective here also. And the first the first root words are nouns. Yeah. And countrywide. This we had the example earlier. Countrywide, yes. Peacock blue, the colors also be explained like that. Peacock blue, she was wearing a peacock blue sari. Blue is noun. Blue's color, this is adjective, okay. This is adjective and this is noun. Peacock is a bird, so it's a noun, and this one is adjective. Sky blue. Sky blue. Can you think of more?
Jet black.
Jet black. Good. Jet black. Bottle green. Do they not describe colors like this, especially girls? Bottle green. Bottle green. I think this is enough.
Yes.
So what do you have here? You have noun plus adjective combination. So you saw noun plus noun combination, and this is noun plus adjective combination.